About 75% of voters in Spokane approved an ordinance in 2023 that banned people from camping near schools, parks, and daycares. Tonight, a Washington judge says no more. That's because a state Supreme Court judge ruled that decision should not have been left up to voters in the first place. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Kirsten O'Connor.
And I'm Derek Dice. Alexandra Conyards explains what this could mean for the future of the ordinance and why the judge says this decision should not have been left up to the people.
I am standing in downtown Spokane in specifically an area that would be banned for camping under Proposition 1. In fact, the majority of our city would be banned for camping under this legislation. However, a judge has ruled that that decision is not up to voters in Spokane.
The Washington Supreme Court argues Proposition 1 was trying to change Spokane's pre-existing policies for camping, which a judge says is beyond local initiative power.
But it basically means that once these governments have come together, they've developed the detailed plans, you can't use an initiative to upend them.
Proposition 1 criminalizes homeless encampments within 1,000 feet of schools, parks, and child care centers. Opponents say this causes more trauma for those experiencing homelessness. However, supporters argue this is what is needed to keep our community safe.
What we are left with now is the Spokane City Council and the mayor of the city of Spokane have to act.
Mark Lamb is an attorney representing Brian Hansen. For him, this ruling feels as a disappointment.
And it's one that I think has significant implications for the power of voters in the state of Washington.
Today's ruling argues a local initiative can only make legislative changes, meaning those are not already controlled by a local or state government. For prosecuting attorney Noel Lowney, this feels as a win for our homeless community.
We think that's a really good ruling for the people, and it's a good ruling for the community that's worked so hard to sort of develop these plans.
Spokane Mayor Lisa Brown released a statement saying the city will work on incorporating this ruling and that the city's unlawful camping ordinance that passed before Prop 1 will remain in effect. Reporting from Spokane, Alexandra Conyards, 4 News Now.